Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your account meets Robinhood's criteria because options require approval. Open the app, go to Settings, then Investing, and tap Options to start the application. Provide truthful experience answers, link your bank if needed, and accept the options agreement. Once done, wait for instant approval or a short review. Make sure your account has enough buying power and any required margin permissions. This first step unlocks the tools you need to place actual options trades. Next, you select the appropriate approval level and permissions because Robinhood limits strategies by level. In the Options section, choose the level that matches your planned trades. Covered calls require less approval than spreads. Enable margin only if you understand margin costs and requirements. Then pick your strategy. Buying a call is different from selling a put. Be explicit about risk and required capital. Once set, make sure your watch list has the underlying, so you can pick expirations and strikes without delay. Finally, you construct and place the trade. Enter the ticker, choose expiration, choose strike, and pick quantity and order type, limit or market, and then review the premium and fees. Read the risk disclosure about assignment and exercise. Once satisfied, swipe or confirm to submit the order. After execution, monitor positions in the Options tab and set alerts. If approval fails or features are missing, update your profile, reapply for a higher level, or contact Robinhood support for specific account issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.